My little meat bags. It's been a while. I apologize. Started my new job and just trying to get used to scheduling stuff like that. Welcome back. As always, I have a website. You can check out different things. I have a mud here. You can check out my two main projects. My predominant one's going to be Grim. There's all sorts of little knickknacks and little tidbits for you. I got a store. You can use code DADAGAMEBOT at Dobby to get yourself 10% off energy drinks. Jitterless Energy Blend. I have officially replaced coffee with this in my life, and I'll tell you, I feel great. We got a merch store. You can hit the donate button. You don't have to. I'm just glad you're here. I used to have a 24-hour video game radio, but my payment lapsed for like a day, and I like updated it, and they still deleted everything on there, so I have to set it up again. I'm not happy about that, but I'm happy about you. My little meat bag with the look balls on the end of the screen. You. Welcome back. It's definitely been a minute. Grim is progressing. I've been doing a lot of story writing and just formulating and kind of figuring out what I'm going to be doing. So Nutjob Nikki's store is going to expand. We got some extra stuffs coming. Trying to switch over to our development stream. If you're new here, hit that sub, hit that follow, hit your buttons. It's Monday. Happy Monday. Drop that. So, we've got Sprague. It's partially made of people. And we are setting that as our mana. So, helps when the controller's on. At least that's what I've been told. Are we dead? Oh, I have the charge tag. It is dead. We don't even need to sync. So the big thing that I did do is I did a few things since we've spoken last. I have the grab mechanic worked out. Once it allows me to why I no move. I might have to put some batteries in here. Oh, what the hell? have to. Does not like to play in the editor. I don't know why, little kiddo. My code breaks only when it's played in the editor. Go ahead and play that. I'm playing in a standalone mode. So I can now grab pots, I can drop them, I can throw them. I guess that'd be more like propelling them. I thought it worked, so I just left it like that. Got a new room in our development hub. Well, we could run around the main game at some point, but right now, this is my fastest mana drain. I need to make sure that when I use my mana potion, see, that's a lot of mana. How much does it recover? Is that because the mana was negative? I'm gonna have to look at actual value to see. That don't seem right. Why does the first one... Let's look at this. So basically, input action, mana potion. We're gonna set mana. 2 mana plus 25. Well, we remember order of operations in you know, school. It's going to give me a rolling value, which we don't want. So our initial will be 25. And that should math better. And yeah, that's much more appropriate. Now we're gonna do an effect similar to there's a lot of drug effects in this game, and I don't know if anybody's played Narc, but that was an interesting arcade game. I can add an output. Okay. So, create a custom event. We'll do had sprog. We'll also create a variable for our animation blueprint to read that we've actually, instead of creating a new variable, let's tie it into the variable that allows Grim to drink when you use your health potion. So if you drink, that's setting our post process. We'll set drink. That's going to trigger other things that I don't want. So we will create our own variable. Call you mana drink. Actually, we could go over to characters, skeleton, no, something else, that's player sprite is what I'm looking for. Look for our animation blueprint. We'll grab our animation blueprint. Should be like an orange right there. A few little guys running over. Go to our event graph. We will do okay, we got our gun. Scythe. Dodge, spellcasting. Ladder climb, swing, idle, zipline. Grab. There's a drink somewhere here. It might be tied into the gun state. I bet you it's in the gun. Well, let's look at our variables. Find reference. Idle to drunk. It's in our sight state. Idle to drink. And in our event graph, find set drink. And we can get or. And we'll do it like this. Pop you out to an or. Boolean. Okay. So with our or boolean, we will have to go to our Grim player class. We'll have to hit compile so mana drink will show up. And then pull that off of our player. Mana drink. Get our mana drink. Pop it into that ore right there. Now, anytime we press this, we'll say mana drink is true. Because I just want to trigger the drinking animation. So we'll do that, and then we'll set mana drink. We'll set mana drink to false. Is what we'll do. Alright, so now I don't believe that it'll spawn the beer bottle, which I don't think I can spawn it since it's a different mesh. We'll have to have cans added in there, and we'll toggle the visibility while we do this. So, okay, so I now drink something when I do that. So we'll go over to our player class. Okay, I'm gonna find my Sprog folder. Grim's gonna get a nice old can of Sprog. But we'll take our mesh. I'll disconnect the blueprint, and we'll do drink. And we will stop our play. We're gonna throw in Sprog. And that's way, way, way too big. Shrink that down. I want to parent that to the left hand, L hand. We'll just type in hand, left hand. Alright, we attach ourselves to it. Don't do that. We can turn off snapping just to get a less accurate, just to get a more accurate position on it. So we'll take it like that. Probably pop you in. It's a little too big. That'll work for a fast animation. That'll work fine. So we'll take you. I don't know, just maybe make it kind of look like he's holding it the right way. We want to make sure that this doesn't have any sort of collision. So the character can't step up on. We don't want that. We don't want block all. That's going to give us a really, really bad day. But what we will do is we will turn off visible, and then in our event graph, we should be able to book Sprog. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to set visibility. Okay, so we'll set our visibility, and then we will we'll trigger our custom event, cat Sprog. Okay. And we'll say sequence from here. I want two things. I want a print string saying we're gonna do print string. If I could spell. And off of the sequence, I also want to start a delay. Right? I'd say probably about 0.8. I think that's what I had my other one at, but we'll find out. Don't select the entire blueprint below it. But we'll scroll that up and we'll change hello to crackhead incoming, or crack powers activate. Okay. Alright, now that that's compiled and didn't give us any errors, we'll go ahead and test that. We're just definitely don't have our animation blueprint selected, so that's an issue. Alright. Now let's see if we can get our crack powers to activate. Alright, so crack powers activate, and obviously we didn't make the Sprog invisible after the delay. That's why we put that there. But that's okay. We'll just copy and paste that over. Sometimes I gotta check to see if my mic's popping. It's the computer I'm using it for. That's the problem. What the hell? Oh, what did I do? Oh. Cool. So we can set the visibility off from there. Alright. I'll grab there. Say after about 8 seconds or so, I want you to make the cannon visible. So let's see. Okay. So that's too long. I would say 0.7. Yeah. It's a pretty good pop in right there. You'll drink your Sprog and your crack powers will activate. You'll gain mana. Alright. And from there, we need to define all of our crack powers. So the first thing I want to do is motion blur a triggerable thing? First thing we want to do is make the player faster. So how do I want to do that? That would be like a plus. That'd be a branch. That'd be and why did you not have that? Wait, what? What happened? Maybe it's just because I have add. What I need to do... What variable am I grabbing? So, I'm gonna need to cast to third, or no, I'm already here, so we'll go player movement. Oh, Jesus. Get player character. See. I think I just have to grab Max. I'm supposed to grab character movement, max walk speed, set max walk speed. Okay, it's not a branch. I don't know where I got that idea. It's not character. So we grab our max walk speed. This will be add. Okay, so we're gonna set our max walk speed. How do I want to find that? So we're going to set, we need to get our max walk speed. That's going to come from character movement. Get max walk speed. So we're going to take our max walk speed. Alright, I want to add that. I don't want to add anything because the number's not one. Mats! Oh my god, Mats. Alright. So we don't want to do add, we want to do multiply. So we'll take max walk speed times 2. But I changed that dynamically. We will need I'm gonna throw a reroute node here. That needs to be hooked up to a tick. How did I do it with running? All my dodges. Is that run? Stamina release and dodge timer go away. If dodge timer isn't met, if I'm not, that's adding impulses. I should be setting my max walk speed somewhere here. Set max walk speed to 800. So I'm setting them directly. This is run. Right here. So I set it to 16. So my setting, if my stamina is 0, I set my max walk speed to... Okay. Prevent me from running. Alright, so somewhere... Stamina... Mana, Zaza effects, motion trail... Character customization... Light bulb drink, here's our mana potion... So... I'm gonna take this guy, and I'm gonna paste him over here. we're gonna say 800 and 16. Okay. From max walk speed. I want to take you. Basically, I want it to be dynamic when these change as well. So in order to do that, we're gonna we could run a check. A branch. We'll do another branch. No, because running is dictated by movement speed, so we'll go what we could do. Okay, I got this. It's a really lazy way to do this, but we're just gonna we're gonna circumvent having to do all this. We're gonna enter our cracked out state, and we're gonna set our max walk speed to 1800, and set our duration, so we'll do a delay. How long is 4? 4 Unreal units, and then we're gonna set our max walk speed. It's going right back down to 800. Now, because I have something else setting that, we might have to do this on a tick. In fact, we probably have to, so we'll add a variable we'll call cracked out. Out. Yeah. That's right. There we go. You got it. So we'll take our cracked out. We'll go set cracked out or get cracked out. We'll set our cracked out to true. Okay. So on that sequence, we'll do this. And then we'll delay. So we'll hit our delay here. And then we will not worry about that at all. Okay. And then we'll set cracked out to false. And then we're gonna delete all that. and we're gonna grab another one of these and we'll paste it. 800, I believe, was the other thing, so we'll do that. Alright, we got a branch. And I want to know if I'm cracked out. Because if I am cracked out, let's set our max walk speed to 1800 the whole time. And if false, we'll do once. I'm gonna do once. Do that. And we'll just reset it when it's true. That'll set us back to normal speed. Gonna grab a tick, string. Echidna. Comment that. It's gonna be mana potion. Show bubble. So if add sprog happens, we delay a little bit. Set our visibility. We'll set cracked out, delay for 4 minutes, and then set cracked out. Back to false. Let's see how this works. Wanna. Yeah, so now you're not really gonna be running. Ooh. That sets it back? It shouldn't. No, it didn't. I just... No, I think it does. Yeah. No, I'm still running like crazy ass. Just gonna creep down in Pumpkin Hill. I got to find my lost piece. I know that it's here. I can sense it in my feet. The great emerald's power allows me to feel. I can't see a thing, but it's around somewhere. I'm gonna hold my so take it, you go faster instead of 18, because that's not much faster than your run. You go to like 24. We don't want it too fast. We'll take our crack soda. We crack the fuck out. You actually slow down by running. So we'll probably have to set a boolean on the run later. I think I want to extend the duration just a little bit. 4 is not really long enough. We'll do 10. Now I know I should be able to turn on motion blurs. Crazy. Okay.
I gotta hold my head, I have no fear. It probably seems crazy, a graveyard theory. A ghost try to approach me, he got leery. Spooky up in here, it's crazy in here.
Okay. Definitely have to set the effects on that a little bit. I can take that. Kind of helps your jump a little bit too. Got some masks I gotta do over those. So I gotta animate those so they're not just dragging. But we got some HUD to work on. I think I did my UI over here. Feedback UI. Got it. So, since our bubbles are right there, what we're gonna do where'd I put a new one here. Want to set our opacity.
I'm feeling kind of stuck. I'm in narrow hallways running like it's a ball game. Hand tracks be tracking me to different doorways. In a maze, and I don't know what to do. Guaranteed
The other ones. It's probably 0.4. Should take 0.4.
But I gotta do it. They always stay out of line. Sometimes I wanna just chill and land. But I'm the protector of the emeralds and gems. Stay knuckled up in a deep cut. I'm seeing skulls that burn, they trying to throw me off. Avoiding my luck, I'm feeling kinda stuck. Don't call me Knuckles, give me a box.
We'll duplicate. No. Delete that. Just want that little X. So we'll do that. This is my number flip book.
This is Knuckles, and you have reached the death chamber. From front to back, all I see is stones. I'm glad that I don't call this home.
0.9.
A lot of trick stuff
So
get along. I don't think that's the point right now, Knuckles. I know how much the emerald means to you.
we'll
I
do
wanna help get it back. Stop being stubborn and
a little
angry.
emoticon.
Well, I guess you're right. You're damn right, Knuckles. I know Eggman's secret station's here somewhere. All we have to do is find it. I know we'll need a key to get inside. That's our only way to find it. So let's go.
We use the beer icon. Alright. And I will be right back.
From front to back, all I see is thorns. I'm glad that I don't call this home. A lot of trick stuff that makes you fall into a trap. Eggman wants to steal us all, keep the emeralds and build a throne. Not if I can help at all, I will not let him take it over.
And we're back. So this one, not really detail the can a whole lot. But what we are gonna do, grab, probably put something else interesting out. What we'll do, yeah, not the zoom. I want to create a rectangle. With that deselected, we're gonna grab you.
And we're Meteor Herd.
Find
You
that
ready to
color.
go to space? Help me get the emeralds.
Now we have a blank canvas. So on top of that,
To space and left my homes. At least we were friends, and I'm not all alone. Bad thing was that the emerald spilled. Guys, so spaceman, time to get in. What's this? Can't fly off now. I just could float. Hold on, die.
it's been some time. I don't know where my tablet
Gotta go
is.
straight in criminal crime don't pay. See the crazy look Eggman's face. Don't let it hit you.
Found you. Tomorrow's Tuesday. Go watch a move. Alright, so take this. We're gonna hand draw. Can't do that on the rectangle. So bear that in mind. And then we're just gonna hand draw a soda can. We don't want that for our eraser brush. I want a solid circle. Get our shape down. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be fairly small. Definitely want to add a little bit of detail though. Just convey something on the HUD. Tab up there, kind of destroyed it. Clean that up a little bit. You know, we could just do Sprague. So we'll grab our paintbrush and we'll make it a little bit bigger. here, start with white. So, I just want to emphasize the light, where that's coming from. Okay. Go from there. Go even lighter. Okay. We'll just kind of come in here. We'll take it even lighter. No. Go a little bit darker. Not as dark as the background. But this will be our final color. Okay. Let me just kind of come up if I can. We'll kind of hit some of that. Definitely want to hit our edge. Right about there. Yeah, not all around, but I do. Take our darkest color. Pop that in the middle. Yeah, it wouldn't be on that side, so we probably have some spillover right about there. Grab our eraser, clean this up. Back to our brush. Grab you. Clean that up. I think what I want to do, because that just doesn't feel very defined, is we'll go back to black, shrink our brush. I want to put like a wavy line through. We'll add one down here. Something Taylor. I couldn't see it. I apologize. Welcome, welcome. So, just kind of erase some of that for you. Clean it up. Doesn't have to look ugly. Doesn't have to be amazing either. You know, small HUD element. So just take that. I'll probably switch back to my brush. Go over here. Hit you. And then we'll just do that. And then we zoom out. And honestly, I think that's going to work for what we want. Maybe if I took my brush and that'll work. And then we can go over to our lines and we'll just clean that up a little bit. And then we can zoom out. Call this, I want to center that a little bit better too. Take those, move them down. And then just to kind of break up the gradation, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take some whites. We'll just kind of top off some of the bubbles. Go down our streams a little bit. And then all right. Yeah, that'll work. File. Save as. Mana. Thing. Save it as a PNG. Save that. Now we'll just drop you over here. Let's grab our content browser. And we now need to throw in mana thing. We drop you in. Yeah, just import mana thing. It'll give us that. You can space it out. Okay, that's about where I want it, but what I do want is for that to be behind the thing, which, oh boy, image 6, so image 8 needs to go over image 6. Okay, and then we're gonna turn our alpha down. Okay. Number of beer. Meet number of mana. So what we have to do is we gotta go find our number flipbook. I'm gonna rename. I'm gonna duplicate. An Ingram player. I need a variable. This will be a int, and it will be called mana potion. Okay. There's mana potion. Alright. So mana potion. Okay. So, alright, so we're gonna scale this out a little bit. I'm gonna need an int. Oh, fucking hell, hold on. It's somewhere in here, or I might be doing that in feedback UI too. Either way, so mana potion, we'll say get mana potion greater than or equal to 1. And we'll branch. Okay. So if that is true, if not, then we're gonna do nothing. But we're also going to set our mana potion to mana potion -1. -1. So I'm gonna dock you 1 mana potion for drinking your mana potion. Alright? So as long as that's been done, you can go ahead and heal. Alright, so mana potions. We'll have to compile to set our default value. Okay, we'll set that to 30. So now, when we play it, we won't have feedback that we're drinking them, but we are drinking them, which is what we want. So, we should stop being able to do this there. Okay. So we do drink through these. And, you know, as always, that gives you screen distortion. So we now need feedback on our mana potions. Just fine. Oh, what is all this? Alright. Comment. I don't care. Gun selection, spell whiz. Air gauge, spell wheel viz, gun selection, spell selection. Is this just tied to I have to be changing gear values. So in this one, this will be okay, and then in there, we'll switch over to our designer, go over here. We'll just put it right about there. We do have to do a few things on our right side. What that was, I don't quite remember. Brush bone. We want to rename that. This is. It might have to be a material. Well, That was required. I just need this. Control C. So I'm already seeing an issue, and that's alright. But we need that. Do wherever. All the way down the last line. Instead of that, it'll be a float. Change variable type. We will have to fix shit. Holy hell. So we'll just do. I'm just gonna rebuild this. And one minus. That one can go bye-bye. See where the brakes are. We should have some errors. No? No. Either way, we're gonna take this, we're gonna promote this to a variable. We're going to call this mana potion scalar value. SCA. So and we're gonna get mana potion. 0 to 31. And we do have a tick, so we're going to take our tick and we're going to sequence. Sequence break that. Okay. We'll take you. We're going to set our mana potion scalar value. And we're also going to add a pin. And we're going to set our mana potion to 0 under a branch condition. In the event that our mana potion is less or equal if it's less than or equal to negative 0.1. It'll never be negative 0.1, but we'll just balance it that way. It'll prevent me from going negative and fucking that up. It's always going to be 30. There's currently no way to get beer or mana potions right now, so that's fine. So if we play that, I still need to call that's going to normalize it, which will allow my feedback UI to figure out what's going on. So we're going to grab our mana. Get our mana pot. Okay. Promote to a variable in here. Oh no, we don't even promote it to a variable. We just set scalar parameter of that'd be material instance. Okay. Mana pod scalar. Okay, and what did we call it? That should read incorrectly. That eventually I can't. Shouldn't be able to. Still letting me though. That's broken now. Great. I don't need that. We have our brush, our mana potion. It's based on our scalar value, which is set through a tick. So that's set to 30. Okay. So we normalize our values. So that should have my mana potion value 0 to 31. Mana potion is less than or equal to negative 0.1. Return it to 0. I think what we need to do is do a print string. No, P R I N T. I need a new keyboard. Holy shit. Okay, we do print screen, mana potion. Okay. Okay. Let's see what that's telling us. Because then we can identify where our issue's happening. So when I drink my potions, I'm not actually subtracting. First off. So if mana potion is greater than that, we're gonna set -1, not -0. So that'll take away from our mana potions. We'll see if that influences the HUD at all. Because it doesn't look like it does. What it does allow you to do is stop subtracting. I guess setting it to below whatever is a little redundant, but we'll just do that for fucking sanity's sake. Because we'll have to cap it as well at some point. Okay. So we know that that's working. That means that in here we have our mana value. Make sure that this is the one that says 15. See, that one says beer value too. Unless it's you. Both of them say beer value. That ain't right. So that's you. We'll hit apply, we'll hit save. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna create a material instance. We'll call this mana num. And that one says mana value. So in our feedback UI, instead of grabbing you, will grab mana num. Optional name, did I have? No. Okay, we create a mana brush out of that. What we'll have to do, I know I have to do something in Designer, and it's probably not drag that in. Drag mana num in. Okay. Call that num. NUM. My God. So in graph, I know somewhere we're grabbing somewhere we grab this. Optional name, that's where you create that. Scalar value. What do you mean? There's something I had to do to this. I don't remember what. No, don't open that in Visual Studio. Oh god. Close Visual Studio. Try to Try to close the program. No, you don't need to send anything back to Microsoft. Just know that didn't work, and it's okay. You don't gotta, make a big fucking deal about it. There was something you had to do to this. Or because what is I don't know. So Mana Numb. And mana potions, which, let's find references here. And set mana, so that's where I set that. For Mana Numb. Alright, maybe that fixed it. Who knows? No, something ain't right. Something ain't right. That's fine. Well, what if I did like number of beer, brush? You have to set the fucking brush. That's what it is. Jesus Christ. Get number of beer brush. Hold on. I made a brush. Why is it not showing up? Hold on. Mana. Oh. Let's delete that because that's setting a different brush for the mana bar as well. So we'll promote to a variable. We'll call this mana hot brush. Okay. Compile that. Go into designer. Grab Mana Numb. We'll bind Mana hot brush. Now when we play, should have 30, and it increments down until it gets no more, And we're out of potions. Okay. Holy shit, that took longer than I thought it would. Alright. So, could add an effect. I don't know that I want to. Whoa! Tell us. Tell us the tale. Tell us the tale of two kiddos. Two little baby kiddos. Well, we now have mana potions, which should have probably been done a while ago. Yes, I would like to apply changes and save. I'll leave the blueprint open, I just don't need these two. Okay, so no more print string. Can I set the depth of... Ooh, hold on. Where's the camera? I think I can fuck with this. Rendering features. Motion blur. Haha. Yeah, so if it's in there, we can take camera boom and set let's do what was that setting? We were just there. Rendering. What was rendering? Rendering, advanced. Was that only while we were in viewport? No. But, because I grabbed the wrong thing. Is what happened. Wait. So rendering. What happens when we go guilt? See what we have. Add post-process component. Huh. Either way, you can probably figure out how to play with that, but what I want to know with the motion blur, if I did like one. You know, motion blur doesn't make it look too bad, honestly. Might play with that a little bit. Let's go back. Just standard motion blur. Change the rock as well. Might change how that one works altogether. I know I gotta change a bunch of these. Well, speaking of water, all of our swimming mechanics are broken. So want to run around the main area for a minute. Seen that in a while. 2 hours. So, to be within the level that opens, we go over to Grim Content Pack. Save all selected. Okay. So to change that out. I think that's why I removed motion blur. It just seems like there's too much going on. The other thing I want to happen yeah, can't scale the size of those. I can definitely get my coins. Take another mana potion. I mean, now that I can recover mana, I can just sit here and do. Okay. All right. Probably have to do some sort of enemy detection type thing as well, just to slow down combat a little bit, because it's really, really fast paced right now. Which I guess isn't terrible, it's just I'm dead. Boop. Okay. I really need to work some water mechanics out. I have to step over stuff on that though. We could so I think what we'll do think I'm gonna remove the ability to turn that off. Let's get our little gnomes. Decorated some of these a little bit. Yeah. I'll have to make another mesh or another texture where that's not on there. And then we'll just go through and swap those out. Drink my Sprog to go faster. I also need more feedback that I'm running fast. I might get rid of the green on that. Okay. I colored a bunch of things green, didn't I? Yeah. That's not green, is it? That's just blue. Yeah. Fireball's green. The explosion for the fireball's green too. That golem's getting thrown away. I'll tell you that much. Still kind of works. Yeah. Those are getting thrown away. We're gonna opt for something else. So let's color things up a little bit. Let's do that because I got quite a few things that are green right now. I was gonna allow the player to change that, but I think I'm not gonna do that because either way. Yeah, so I guess we could start with Cal Mats, I believe it was. What? No. Invisibility mat. So we're gonna change our invisibility way back when I had this going. Okay. So instead of green, I want it to be like hair. So hit OK. I hit apply. The other thing was oh, where did I put that? I could have sworn. Bomb rat. It's probably in bomb. That's all that was in bomb. What about fireball? Fire candle, fireball, cascade material.
Yeah. So this is the fireball we're throwing. Spawn. Color over life. Module editor. Consistent, we'll change it to something like that. Color over life. Do that. Color over life will be something like that. Save.
Alright, now it's an explosion.
Did I color? Okay, I colored all of this for this. Color overlay. Should be a color.
Initial velocity, did I change? No. Oh, there we go. Scale, color, life. Okay. Initial color. Okay. are the two elements to that. If I play now, I should shoot non-permeabilis. That. Okay. Turn our motion train. Motion trail material. Skeletal mesh. Fine. So first off, this is translucent. We can do we hit one. Do like 0.2. Opacity. And it'll make it partially transparent, but we're gonna kind of make it bluish. Alright. Over here, we'll hit play. Still green. Okay, so what is this one? Bullets that need to be fixed. I don't want that to be bluer. So do, content, CW, CalMat, what is that? Cal, holy cow. Yeah, so we'll just saturate it a bit more. I'll do that. That looks better. Okay. Okay. Throw actual fireballs. Doesn't seem to collide. For some reason. Does it not collide with the landscape? Oh, okay. There you go. That's what I wanted to see. We can take our energy drain. I want to redo that bottom spell. We'll do something else. I forgot I had souls. We're gonna have to delete all the collectibles here in a while. Just get all the way back up. Attached to that. Oh. Well, there we go. Wait. No. That's the other downside, is that it doesn't... can't tell that it's on the floor that it's supposed to be on. Oh yeah, God forbid you step on the switch while this is going. Oh yeah. Here we go. Back up. Got that. I don't think I want to do random anything, but the where would I have space for? what I want. I want like a deployable spring is kind of what I want. For that downspow. Like, I want to be able to jump up there if I so chose. Could I know what we're gonna do. Alright. Once this boots up, I'll be right back. Probably gonna need a copyright strike on one of these. But either way, we're gonna do like a mushroom. Let's look at mushrooms for a minute. I think for right now, just do something basic. We can just make this an asset. I like the mushroom cat being like this. I definitely want a bit more like that. Scale our face out. Honestly, what I really want to do is all of our faces be a polygon helix. This is one of those instances where you can use a interesting shape. Take you. start it, you want to start it then. You're gonna shrink it in here in a second. You want it to be. Ideally, you'd want it just like a 4, and then when you do that, grow it a little bit, and then take it in, use a lattice, with your lattice shape, we'll turn that down to history. Subdivide. I want to mess with this a little bit. There's like a handful of songs in this track that I swear I don't know where they come from because I haven't seen them. Who knows? No. No.
Turn first-time
Don't give me
customers
another ad.
into regulars.
First-time
With a safe way to-
customers into regulars with PayPal. History, I believe that is not subdivided, so we'll have to do that. Okay. And then, alright. And, probably do... plain. First off, hammer base, objects, new camera base, we're gonna take both of these and combine them. We're gonna unfold. Okay. As long as we got that, be okay. That one that was gonna. It's gonna bend. I also let's object separate. Let's delete these. Start with a plane. Okay, it's gonna represent a roof. Do I want to do that?
Why is everyone spiraling over YouTube banning ad blockers? Like, chill guys, just use Pi. It's a free Chrome extension that's
Chill,
actually made by...
guys. Just use Pi. Duh. Just do that. And then we'll take plane. Using that plane, I'll go ahead and do it. Hello. Alright, we'll take both of these. And we're gonna camera base them. And we're gonna grab our UVs and unfold them. And we're just gonna make sure they're not overlapping. That's just gonna make it easier. We're gonna copy a bunch of these over. Give them all the same Feel jacked up. Doomslayer, welcome back. I am back. Were you here before? I mean, in the stream like earlier today? Or are you just back? Back. Back. Yeah. Back. Let me know. I was here before, like watching the stream a little while ago, but you weren't talking. The YouTube chat works now since I'm not streaming the music. Alright. Shrink a day. Like a couple streams before. Oh, yeah. Bro, school's a pain in the ass. Dude, you're telling me. I almost tried to go back to school. And, yeah, it was ridiculous. School's, you know, it's kind of a necessity, but it, you know, some of it, like, especially when you get, like, in college and shit, it's really, really scamming. I don't know where you are in your educational journey. Okay, we'll combine. I'm gonna clone it. And we're gonna do one at the top leaf. Especially science, because we don't do anything fun. You eventually start doing a lot of fun stuff in science. Have you ripped a pig in half? We did that in middle school. You like grab it, we grabbed its spine and we tore it out, all like Mortal Kombat style, and the whole like thing just kind of split in half. All the experiments we're doing with people are moving the piece of foil. Yeah, that's not as fun. I wouldn't say. Yeah. So, pig dissections were pretty interesting. That's gonna be a fun thing to eat. Holy shit. I don't often suggest using oblong geometries. I saw that you were live and I have not been in a while yet. I am struggling to find like steady work right now. Well, I shouldn't say anymore. Right now I'm just kind of acclimating to my new job. But yeah, that was been a thing. fuck that up. Yeah, so you need to be UV'd. Camera base. And we will edge. Cut there, and leave that, and Shift X, and Control U. Okay. That's a fun mesh. And camera base it. We're gonna select that. We're gonna camera base it. We're gonna go all the way, and we'll just Shift X on that, and up here I'm gonna delete that those quads right there. So we're just gonna delete. And actually, now that we did that, we probably want to camera base that. Edge. That is a really long commercial. Good for them. Are you still smoking Zaza? I've cut significantly back, I guess. Now the character doesn't smoke Zaza right away. Oh, that's the place to cut. Oh boy, look at that. Oh man. Look at that. That long ass turd. Oh boy. That's the stuff. Just put that long ass turd just right up diagonally against the UV bounds. Oh yeah. Alright, so we take our object. Don't do that. We're gonna combine. So now we're all UV. We're gonna take U and just do that. Come over here. Scale that leaf down. Grab our mushroom cap. So from here, we do need to get a UV snapshot. So we'll go Grim, we'll go Bounce Shroom, must select a polygon in order to do that. We'll hit apply. Doing great. Okay. We do.
So
need
I wanted to
to-
come here because 2 years ago, I went on
Wow,
the most
that's a
incredible trip to
lot of
Botswana with the
ads.
Natural Diamond Council.
On this one video. So we got this. What we can do is we'll export that. Bounce. Shroom. Do an OBJ. Bounce shroom. I need Photoshop and I need Substance Painter. So in Photoshop we'll open up that one thing that we just made somewhere in Bounce Alright, so basically what we're doing is we're creating the leaves. Which we're gonna do here in a second. Let's open up new. Grid. I have to get this first because it's gonna bug the hell out of me if I don't. So, I don't think it really matters too much. What side I go to? Is we'll just make a stick, and then for the leaf, we'll kind of. My brush for this. Tablet time. They call me Tablet Toby. Well, we just kind of just build our leaf out. Doesn't have to be too crazy. I think our eraser just kind of form that leaf a little bit. They don't have to be straight. Kind of might be a little bit. Okay, just kind of erase it out. Okay. That's pretty much all we have to do. We just put that on a black background and we're golden. Okay. So save as L E A L. Then we can save you. PNG. Save that. That's leaves alpha texture. Projects. Hit imports. So we got a few things we gotta do. The first of which is open the rest of my windows. I'm missing another one. A really important one too. Oh, I have the shelves over here. Okay. So, I'm gonna do opacity. Probably bump this up to 2K, honestly. We also do need an ambient occlusion. Is it ambient occlusion? Speculum. We need a speculum. So, delete that. We're gonna do a fill layer. Gonna find our leaves alpha. Gonna go over opacity. It's gonna be nothing but opacity. Alright, in order for this to show up, you change this to metal with alpha blending.
We're here.
This
for your
needs to
cancer
be
plans,
changed to
anxious
a
thoughts,
1-to-1 scale
worried brows, and
that
painful
allows
tears.
us to make our leaves.
With a level 2 trauma center, expanded services,
We
and advanced
can,
technologies, we're here for the hardship, the healing,
add a
and most
black
certainly
mask.
the long haul.
And
We're
with the
here
black mask,
for all
we
of
will
it.
select
We're here
these
for life.
and
The
these.
new Lutheran Hospital at I-70
And
and
now-
Highway 58.
Welcome. It is my pleasure.
That's not my UV. That's my.
Chaos.
Okay,
We've set the
so
stage, and Sandrock
these-
stands ready. And
and
now,
these.
it must be backed down.
And
The
then
covert deliveries of heavy weaponry are not just for flash and flare.
we
They are your
can
new tools of survival. Each one finely tuned for maximum destruction.
do.
Likely more than you expect.
I'm gonna go ahead and
This
fill.
battleground, once familiar, will evolve into a more ruthless, more cunning, and, dare I
There are
say,
a lot of ads on this. So, do like an earthy brown. Do So maybe not. Well, maybe a little metallic. Turn our roughness over to something like that. Normal's irrelevant. Height's irrelevant. Opacity's pretty much irrelevant. We'll do specular. Something like that. Okay. Let's. I'm gonna delete cut layer. I'm gonna duplicate layer. And we're gonna move down to orange. Okay. Gonna black mask it. Going over to our brush. I'm gonna find our brushes. And I just want to pepper it a little bit. Spray paint. We'll just kind of fill out our cap. You know, sometimes it's the imperfections that make it more believable. So, paint the cap. I'll hit this spot a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna duplicate. Okay. Black mask. And I'm gonna change your color. We're gonna go closer up to a yellow. Yellow's too much. That's alright. Probably put it more at like a tan color. Tan. Kinda liked it better like that, honestly. So the next thing we're gonna do, I'll just use this one. We'll black mask. We'll do that. Go in, not by UVs, but by faces. It is frozen. My mouse has died. Makes far more sense. Make sure that ain't selected on top. Okay. This, we're gonna change our heights to come
Reach
in.
more shoppers. From URL to IRL. See how
Okay.
PayPal can help you grow.
Okay, and I'm gonna take a new layer, maybe color, something like that. Now, create a new fill layer, add a blackness, UV, under UV, okay. Yeah, probably a little metallic. Do something a bit more like that. Okay. Do a new fill layer, blackness, those guys. Dark brown. Roughness. Okay. Now we want duplicate. Just gotta give it a little texture. We'll delete them from the leaves here in a minute. Just kind of touch up inside of that. Okay. It's looking good. We want to black mask all the leaves. So the leaves didn't get hit by that. And then we'll do another duplicate layer. The other thing we're gonna do is height. Just kind of offset it a little bit and make it a little more visually exciting. And black mask it. And this time I'm gonna go almost to the border. Okay. Over here, brush. I'm gonna go even bigger set. This time, I'm just really not paying a whole lot of attention to that. But definitely, if I see open spots, do that. Okay, same thing. Nothing on our leaves. Nothing on our stems. I think I hit the cap on it. Alright, so take you. Go in just a hair. And we're gonna use these three colors on the leaves. We're just gonna do it a different way. We're taking a default saw. So here's where my leaves raise. So actually use lazy mouse. We'll just touch that.
The nature of our enemy is unclear now.
What do you want us to do about it?
Protect us.
Unlock the Vault Edition today.
Okay. And then with our spray brush, we're gonna hit with our setting.
Lay in the wax and spin in the center.
I really like that. That's more what I want. Yep. Let's see, well, we could also do this. We'll do fill, nothing but height and color. We'll switch that to black. Take our color, that all the way down. And get a black mask. Soft.
Lay in the wax and spin in the sound.
It's not plugged in anymore. No, it's not. Honestly, I don't even want to do that. It looks fine. I think it'll work. If you ask me, I think that'll work. I do.
Lay in the wax and spin in the sound.
So we're gonna file, export texture. We will select. Where'd it go? Bounce shroom. File. New folder. Texture. Select folder. We don't want that to be the name though.
Listen, you want to skip this ad. I would too. But what
I
if told
do.
you there's a skip ads for everybody.
There's also a skip ads button. Yeah. All right. I mean, it looks good. We got our. We got our textures, so we want to make sure it's got a light map and a corresponding material name. Export selection, bounce from FBX. Lipids. Open level. Back. Go back. So we'll add. Add new folder. Bounce shroom. I will import Grim. Bounce shroom. Import all. more textures. They're not. Did I not? We probably dumped it in the wrong folder. Open all that. Okay. Eventually leave that alone. Okay. Grab our static mesh, hit object. That way we can see it. Delete. That's gotta be specular. Metallic. Normal. Base color and roughness. Ooh, and opacity mask. Two-sided. Roughness. Apply. And I don't want to take you. Throw you into a missive. And multiply that by 0.5. .2. Just want it a little lighter. That looks cartoony enough. Let's just see what that looks like. Basically, you'll jump up on it and it should launch you super high. Now, spells are all green. We got some green to get rid of, but that's alright. Maybe the player will control the shield. Who knows? What is it? Yo, oh. Texture streaming pool. I blew my texture streaming pool budget. That's alright. Cool. Well, I think that's gonna do us for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, hit that sub, hit that follow, hit your buttons, and I will see you in the next one.